Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to find or get the intersection values or common values from a multiple list of elements. I will show you two methods. So let's start the tutorial. Let's run the command to get the output. Python get intersection, my file name, values.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. These are the original items, list 1, list 2, list 3 and list 4. The first method using set contains 8, 5. If you notice 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, and 5 also present between these 4 list boxes. And the second method using the intersection.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which I have created on my desktop. The folder name is a Python-tutorials. I am selecting that folder. And here we got the Python-tutorials is added to our VS Explorer. Now the next step, we need to add one new file. The file name is intersection values, get intersection values.py. Now I will declare some list of variables. List 1 is equals to a list contains a square brackets 34, 6, 8, 10, 5, 9. Again I am adding another list contains some numbers 8, 9, 5, 3, 21, 200. Again I am adding list 3 is equals to square brackets 90, 8, 5, 34, 2, 1. Again the list 4 is equals to 100, 8, 7, 3, 4, 90. Now if you notice here let's add 5 here. There are some numbers are common between these list of items, list of collections. We have 4 list of collections, list 1, list 2 and list 3. 5 is there and let's add one more here, 8 is there here. So I'm expecting the output 5 and 8. What are the common values between these list of items I want to get? I will show you two methods. The first method, first I want to print the original values. The original values here is list 1 contains, we need to concatenate with the string item, string list 1. Copy this one, 3. Then this is list 2, list 3 and list 4. Again I am changing to this list items, list 3 and list 4. After that I am adding the print, giving square one line here. Now print the first method using set operator, set function. Now here in the first method I am using set method. First I am declaring one variable result here is equals to result set list 1 and set list 2 and set list 3 and set list 4. This is the first method. And after that I want to print the result output for the first method. First method is result. Then the second method print second method with intersection function. And the second method print print output list, not list. Here we have to add the set list1 comma intersection. In this intersection contains list2 comma list3 comma list4. That's it. Let's save this file. We'll check the output. What are the common values between these four list of items? Go to view and select terminal, and here we got the terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's run the command to get the output. Python get intersection, my file name, values.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. These are the original items, list1, list2, list3 and list4. The first method using set contains 8, 5. If you notice 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, and 5 also present between these 4 list boxes. And the second method using the intersection. Now suppose, for example, if I add some other 1000, 100, here I am adding 100, 100 and here 100. Now save this file. Again run the command. See, here we got now the output, we got 805. The second method and first method. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get the intersection values from the multiple list of elements. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.